What's going on, guys? It's David here with Silent Stream Media, and I wanted to do a quick, fun unboxing here and just kind of show you guys some new gear that's out there on the market. So I wanted a light kind of like the Aperture ALMW, which is kind of like an effects light. The Aperture ALMW is about 6,000 lux, which is insanely bright as far as illuminance level goes for something so small. And then there's also the Aperture MC, which is a little more expensive, but has only a 400 lux output. So I ran across these GVM 10S's. They are on-camera LED lights. Same amount of LEDs, triple the lux, 1100 lux, and it doubles as an on-camera front light. It's got full RGB spectrum in it. Alright, so the first thing we're seeing is GVM's really nice matte black packaging with their silver logo there engraved into the box. So we're going to open this up here, and looks like we have a velvet bag, which I'm assuming is going to be the carrying case for the light. They're not going to have a hard case at this price point, but still nice that you got the carrying case there to protect your light. It's a nicely packaged battery charger. After reading reviews that at max power on this light, you get about 2 hours of use out of the battery, or you can buy a separate adapter and keep it plugged in throughout your shoot if you need a longer lifetime than that. And that's pretty cool. It's got the little hidden plug there for the 120 volt plug-in. All right. Next thing here, I'm assuming this is going to be the battery. Again, nicely packaged. So, yeah, it looks like we've got a 7.2 volts, 2200 milliamp lithium ion battery there with the GVM logo on it, which is nice. I like how they keep all their gear branded. Next thing we got here is the LED light adapter. It's got a little shoe mount here, and it looks like this is actually detachable, kind of like a GoPro mount, which is pretty cool. Not sure if it's universal with GoPro mounts or not. And then you got your little 1/4 inch screw in there, and then the top of the mount actually rotates as well, so it looks like you can kind of stand in a static position. You'll be able to rotate the light around on that axis there. And finally, we are about to get to the light. So the first thing I notice is the light comes with its own diffusion, which is really nice to kind of soften it up and take any of that, real hard pin light off of your subject. It's super durable, it feels like, pretty thick plastic. And here is the light. I can't remember, I think there might be 128 LEDs. If you kind of look on the light here, you'll kind of see the larger square LEDs down the centers of the rows. Those are going to be your warm and cool, like 3200 to 5600 Kelvin daylight and tungsten lights. And then the little mini light LEDs on the side of them, that's going to be your RGB light. So those are the ones that are going to change colors. And I was told that this has the full color spectrum of RGBs. So I'm excited to check that out. When you turn it over here, you obviously see where your battery goes into, and then it has your on-off button. And then it has a little LED display readout, so you can kind of see all your settings that you have the light on, which I really like, and at this price point is usually pretty hard to find something like that. So that's a great feature there. And then here, I'm assuming this is where you're going to be able to control the intensity of the light, and then here, different light tone settings. So that's probably where you'll set warm light, your daylight, and then go through your RGB menu. And then I was also under the impression that you can push these these knobs down to go into further menu settings, which will bring you into the hues of your RGB lights and also the saturation. So pretty excited to play around with all that. This kit here comes with 2 of these guys, so it's going to be the same thing we just ran through, but I thought a 2-pack would be a lot better at about 1100 lux. That'll give you some good front light, it'll give you some nice soft front lights, and then also have kind of a backup for any kind of colored effects you want to do. So I'm super excited to test these out. I will show you guys a working demo once I have these up and running. Thanks for watching and stay creative. I will show you